Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing spring twists in my hair. I haven't tried these twists before, but if you do keep on my channel, guys, you have seen me do passion twists, and I love passion twists. So I wanted to switch it up this time. I wanted to do passion twists, but like I said, I wanted to switch it up and do the spring twist and see what the difference is between the two hairs. And like you see now, I'm trying to prep my hair to do these spring twists. So make sure you stay tuned to the end to see the final results of how I feel about the spring twist versus passion twist. So as you can see, guys, I'm starting to finish up on my first twist, but as I'm twisting my hair, I'm noticing that it's a little too skinny for my liking. And if you notice in the beginning, I only used one of the spring twist hair, and I'm just starting to see that it's way too skinny for my liking. I just wanted to test it out to see. So I am going to double up on the spring twist hair just to give that medium size look and not have my hair looking so skinny. So I'm just going to double up on the hair to get that medium size look that I'm actually going for. And I think that will work out better. Okay guys, so these are the final results of my hair. So peep. 18 inches come through. Okay guys, so I really do like this hair. It really reminds me of Passion Twist, just giving me that little kinky curly type of look. But the difference with this hair and Passion Twist hair is a little bit more softer than this hair. It feels a little rough, and the ends with the Passion Twist is a little bit more curlier than this one. Just a little frizzy look going on. But I do still like the hair in general. Well, this look, even though it still gives me Passion Twist vibes, I can still tell the difference between this spring hair and the Passion Twist. So really, originally I wanted to do the Spring Twist kinky twist, the ones that come to your shoulders, but I didn't see the type of hair that I wanted. And with this Spring Twist hair, they did not have the color that I wanted, and I wanted to try something different. So I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to do something different and do the Spring Twist in 18 inch and see how that works out. And, you know, get a little length here. And I was just like, whatever. It is what it is. I'll try it again another time. But I do like the length, guys. Okay, and also too, I bought 6 packs of this hair is $11.99. Let me show you so y'all won't. You saw that? $11.99, and I bought 6 packs. So you do the math. So because I also doubled up on this hair, well, basically I put 2 together, unraveled it, and put 2 together. I used 4 packs and 2 was left over. This is one of them, and the other one is under here. So I'm like, I didn't really need all those packs, but I just wanted to buy that much to be on the safe side because that's how many I buy for Passion Twist. With this hair, it's a little pricey, so I can see why nobody wanted to try this out. Like, they had a lot of packs, but the shorter length, they did not. So I see why. But other than that, I do like the hair. I do like the style. It is super cute. So if you did like this video, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you.